Hello guys. So we'll see in the today's video like how we can install the Node.js in your machine because Node.js generally helps to to work on to create the projects of Angular or React or Next.js. Okay, for that Node.js is required. Okay, so in Google, let's say download Node.js for Windows 11. Search this, and this is the official website where you can find the download menu has been clicked already. Okay, where you can find this command if you wanted to install the Node.js using Docker or Chocolatey or Brave or some other command if you want. Okay, or if you come down, you can find the pre-built Node.js setup for Windows installer. Okay, so this is the operating system which I have selected. You can find the multiple options here like Mac OS, Linux, AIX. So I have selected Windows as of now, and you have to select the particular architecture. So my system supports x64, so I have selected it by default, and this is the installer of Windows. Now let's click on this. So as you can see on the top right corner, the download has been started, and you can find the download is installed. The download has been finished. And now I'm trying to, running the Node.js installer. So let me capture that window for Node.js installer, Node.js setup. Okay. So where you can find the Node.js installer. So guys, you can see this is the window of, installation of Node.js. Okay. Let's click on next. Then select the I accept license agreement. Again, click on next. You can find the actual location where your Node.js application or software is going to be installed. Now let's click on next. Again, click on next. Now select the automatically install the necessary tool Node that will install the Chocolatey, and the script will pop up in the new window after the installation completes. Okay. Now after clicking on next, you can find the install button. Now let's click on the install. Just select yes. It will take some time to install the Node.js application into your machine. So as you can see, it is started copying the new files. Going on, where you can find it is still copying the new file. Almost 70 to 75% installation is completed. So let's wait for the complete installation of Node.js into the Windows machine. Now you can see the installation has been completed successfully. Now let's click on finish. Okay. Now press any key to continue. Okay. Now let's close the browser. Now open the command prompt. And now let's try to run the command prompt to check the version of Node, whether Node.js is installed or not. So after running this command, we are expecting the specific installed version of Node.js should be listed in this window. So as you can see, the latest version of Node.js has been installed in our machine.